Hi, Mrs. Molly.
Hello.
What you doing?
Oh, nothing.
You got something to show us tonight?
Sure.
What do you got?
I've got the treasure box.
Treasure box?
Yes, made of cardboard box.
Okay. Where'd you get it?
I got from the, what do I call this? The candy company.
Mm-hmm.
There's a, I applied to, they have the campaign to send something and if I win, so get the bunch of their products.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the one I won.
So you filled out the thing and send it in.
Right.
And you won, huh?
Right.
One of those chance things.
Right. If you win, you get some prize. That's very common in Japan.
Right. And you won this. You won
Yes.
this box. Okay.
Yes.
Now we should before we go into this, it's not candy, right? It's not like chocolates and stuff like this. It's like throat lozenges.
I'm sorry. There is one first thing that I introduce about Japanese.
Okay.
Candy is also Japanese.
Mm-hmm.
We use candy as the drop.
The throat lozenges.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
The regular sweet drop too.
Right.
Any hard.
Okay. And then so how do you say candy in Japanese?
Ame.
Ame. Okay.
Yes.
But wait a minute, isn't that rain?
Mm-hmm. But that's different pronunciation.
Okay.
Same words, but different pronunciation.
Okay, so how do you say rain?
Rain is ame.
And what is the candy?
Ame.
Okay.
Very tricky.
Okay, so we're going to have another WTF moment here.
Yes.
Okay.
But this is very, the ame and ame, the rain and candy, these are very typical example. We have different meaning of words, but opposite. Different pronunciation, but same words.
Okay. Now, but this isn't ame, right? This is?
Ame. Nodo ame.
Nodo ame. Okay, what is nodo?
Nodo means throat.
Okay, so throat candy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, like cough candy.
Okay, so like cough drops, lozenges.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so you won this big box. Are you going to show us what's inside of it?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see?
Oh my God.
A lot.
There's looks like a million-year supply in here.
Yes. Looks like they put every single product that they can think of to put in here.
Right, you want to dump it out on the table and see what?
Sure.
Dong, dong. Oh my God. Good Lord.
God.
What are you going to do with all this?
Well, I take some to my office to give it to people. Take some candy to my mom's. Something I don't like.
Okay.
These are, can you see nodo in hiragana?
Okay.
And this kanji called ame.
Okay. So nodo ame. What's the kanji before those two?
This is kajitsu, means fruits.
Okay.
So this is fruits flavor, throat
lozenge.
Lozenge.
Okay. And what flavors are in there?
This is grape, lemon, apple, and Japanese orange.
Okay, now can you give us those names in Japanese?
These?
Yeah.
Okay. Grape, budou.
Budou, hi.
Lemon's lemon. Lemon.
Okay.
Apples, ringo. And orange is mikan.
Mikan, okay. So mikan is actually a mandarin orange, correct?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay.
So these are all different kinds.
Okay. What's this one?
Like this one's a tea.
Okay. Non-sugar. It says non-sugar here. Okay.
Yeah. Almost every drops has
non-sugar.
Non-sugar.
Okay. All right. So that's royal milk tea flavor.
No, royal milk tea flavor and straight tea flavor.
Straight tea.
Two kinds.
Okay. All right.
And this is caramel flavor.
Oh, okay. I thought that was going to be oatmeal flavor.
Why? How come?
Because looking through this little tiny screen, it looks like oatmeal on the package.
Caramel is boiling in the pan.
Okay, caramel flavor.
Yeah.
Okay.
And some milk.
Milk. Okay.
Caramel flavor milk, just simple milk.
Okay.
Plain milk. This is another milk.
Oh, wait a minute. This is hachimitsu.
Okay. Hachimitsu is honey.
Honey. Hachimitsu.
Hachimitsu. Hachi is bee.
Right.
Mitsu is the honey.
Okay. All right. So bee honey.
Yeah, we call honey.
Right.
Okay, this is I don't know what to call in English. It's one of fruits called yuzu.
Yuzu?
Yuzu's it's like a cinnamon. Not cinnamon, sorry. Citrus.
Citrus?
A kind of citrus.
Okay.
We usually enjoy this with the skin flavor. Peel the skin and enjoy the flavor of it.
Okay. Right.
And not actually eat it.
Okay.
That's very common.
Okay.
And of course coffee.
Coffee? Ugh. I hate coffee.
You American, they hate the coffee.
Right. This looks espresso and cappuccino.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
And this is almond sweets. I've actually never had this before, so I don't know what it tastes like.
Okay.
But from the picture, it looks like a caramel flavor with crushed almond in it.
Okay.
And this is...
Oh, this is a classic.
Yeah.
You see this one all the time.
This actually...
And it says calorie 40% cut.
Yeah.
Calorie,
We Japanese people also care about calories.
Right. We're getting a little glare off of the light. So.
All right. This is lime.
Lime?
Yeah.
How do you say lime in Japanese?
Ume.
Ume?
Ume. This picture of this is ume.
Okay.
It's very common. I don't know if it's called fruit, but we usually eat this in pickles.
Okay.
Put in this in a pot with lots of salt and let this sleep in there for a while.
Okay.
Very healthy food.
Okay.
And bunch of just
individuals.
Yeah, it's not nodoame. It's just a regular.
Just regular hard candies. Okay.
And these are gumi.
Gumi. Okay, that's kind of funny. In English we say gummy.
Okay.
Like gummy bears or gummy worms. Okay. In Japanese they say gumi.
Gumi.
Yeah.
Because it spells G-U-M-M-Y.
Right.
And G-U we pronounce gu.
Right.
In Roman style.
Now it's kind of, let me show a little bit of my Japanese.
Okay.
Right here it says, well, it's got the little hash mark up here, but pure gummy, right? But up top here it says pure gumi.
Right.
Right. Pure gumi.
It's sounded like French. Because it sounds more fashionable, I guess.
Right.
It's just my opinion.
Okay.
So we are mixed culture. We have very mixed culture with any foreign language and Japanese language messed up sometimes, and so this one is particular sample. I guess.
All right, and then what else you got it for us?
There's another honey flavor
lemon seed
with the
drops.
lemon seed.
Okay. Right.
With kalpis.
Oh, the kalpis. Yeah, everybody loves those.
Kalpis. It's very famous.
Right. Kalpis soft candy. Oh, these are so good.
Some kind of yogurt.
Right. I
think
I'm going to take those.
Nuh-uh.
Mine. Mine. I claim it. Mine. Mine.
He took it from me without my permission. Oh well.
Okay.
This is 100% apple.
Apple. Is it a soft candy?
No, hard candy.
Hard candy? You
Yes.
sure? Oh,
Yes.
it is. I don't want it.
And another ume candy.
Okay.
Same one in the bag. This
Okay.
one, exact same one, I think.
All right.
That's it.
Ume is a plum, isn't it?
Oh, sorry. What did I say?
You said lime.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's plum.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I thought about that before. I was like, wait a minute, isn't
why
ume plum?
didn't you correct there?
Because you're Japanese. I'm not supposed to correct your Japanese.
Well, you could. Well, I was speaking English, so you could correct me when I speak wrong English.
It doesn't matter. I've got the kalpis. So, so what is lime?
Lime is lime.
Lime.
I don't know what to call in Japanese. We call lime.
Okay.
The green citrus.
All right.
It's close to, which one is it? This very similar looking.
Okay.
But this one's yellow.
Okay.
Greenish yellow, I think, and
Okay.
probably lime is same kind of this.
Alrighty. All right. So, if you had to guess, how much is all of this?
In the price? Oh my God.
Ichimaniku.
No, I don't think so.
5,000.
One bag usually about 200 yen, which
Okay.
is about roughly $2.
Okay, so we probably got 6,000-7,000 yen worth of
Yeah,
stuff here.
I guess so.
Not bad, right? And it all just from just filling out a thing?
Yeah.
While you were sitting at lunch, and you just filled it out and sent it in.
Actually, if I remember correctly, I bought one of these candy bag, and there was campaign like here. It says something like the campaign giving you win. You send something is win all the products, right? And I had to send this barcode.
Right.
So I cut off the barcode of the bag and put that on a postcard and just send it out.
Right. And this showed up the other day, didn't it?
Yes, showed up
All right.
without notice.
And you get the
Good
nifty
surprise.
box.
Yay!
And you get the nifty treasure box. All right.
Yay.
All right, Mrs. Mully. Well, let's get you with the Norman Rockwell behind you.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to knock you over there. Okay.
So, well, today's lesson was ame.
Nodo ame.
Nodo ame. Throat candy.
Okay.
Okay, and there's different word but same different pronunciation but same words is ame, which is rain.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so you're going to leave us at that?
All right.
All right. Well, say good night, Mrs. Mully.
Good night.
All right, see you guys.
Bye.